Hello my dear students. Today we'll be going to learn about the geometrical construction. In that we'll be going to learn how to construction of a triangle. We'll be going to learn construction of triangle. Okay, in that first we'll be going to learn about to construct, that is first construction of a triangle. How to construct a triangle. To construct a triangle given the length of its three sides. First one will be going to learn to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides, means the measurement of all three sides. Triangle has a three sides and three vertices. So when three sides measurement of three sides has been given, length of the three sides has been given, then how to construct a triangle, that will be going to learn in this video. Three sides. Okay, first that will be going to learn from the practice set 2. Practice set 2. We'll be going to learn from the practice set 2. The question is, draw triangles with the measure given below. Draw triangle with the measures given below. Practice set 2. First question is, draw triangle with the measures given below. First is given that a question. I'll be going to solve only one. With the help of that, you will be going to solve rest all. First one is given in triangle ABC. Length AB, this is length AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Then length BC is given 4.2 centimeter and length AC will be 3.5 centimeter. So this has been given, all the measurement of given. To construct the triangle by the given side, we require some of the things or some material, which is this. You need a ruler or the scale, then sharpened pencil, this sharp pencil you need. Now first, that if you'll observe that before going to draw the actual figure, you have to draw a rough figure. In the rough figure, always see, you have to find which is bigger one. AB is the longest side in this triangle. Length AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 4.2 and AC is 3.5. So we'll be going to draw a rough figure. We'll take AB as a base, 5.5 centimeter, and this is AB 5.5 centimeter. AC will be 3.5 and BC, this is AB, this is AC, and BC is 4.2 centimeter. AC is how much? 3.5 centimeter. So this is the rough figure which we have drawn. Rough figure. Now first, always you have to draw the base. We'll take the longest side as a base. Okay, first we'll draw the base, which is longest side in this given figure, in this given measurement. In triangle ABC, length AB is 5.5. That only we will be going to draw 5.5 centimeter. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5.5. 0, 0 to 5.5. This is AB, A and B, 5.5 centimeter. Now next we'll draw. Now how BC? What is the length of the BC? Is 4.2. So with the help of the compass, you will be going to this. See, this is your scale. You have to take exact 4.2. You have to keep it on a scale, measure it. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 4.2 means 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2, 4.2. Then you have to, which is BC? Where is B? A and B. You have to keep it on B. On B point you have to draw an arc. Okay, this is arc. The next what you have to do, with the help of the compass only, you will draw length AC, which is 3.5. You have to take compass. In that you will be going to hold the compass on your scale or the ruler. How much is the distance? 3.5. This is 3 and 3.5. Then you will be going to keep it on A, and you have to draw an arc. But these both should be, it is not intersected, so you have to, once again you have to draw it properly. This arc once again will draw, will take distance 4.2. First, before that, you should check that this both the points should be in a same, they should be similar, not like this. This compass point is down and this is up. No, this should be equal together. Okay. Then take 4.2 distance between 4.2. Okay, then draw an arc. Okay, then both the arc has been intersected here, so we'll give a name as A. Then will be, with the help of the ruler, you will join it. If you will see that this is 3.5, length AC is 3.5 and length BC is 4.2. Then you have to write down the measures. AC, this is C, sorry, this is C, 3.5 centimeter, and this is 4.2 centimeter. In this way we have learned about how to draw a triangle when the measurement of its three sides has been given. So this is the way to construct a triangle. First, what we have to do, first we should draw a rough figure. In that rough figure, whichever the sides has been given, whatever the sides has been given, you have to draw it accordingly. Means, suppose in the rough figure you have drawn AB is the longest side in this triangle, and you have drawn it smaller than AC. Smaller than AC, AC is 3.5 and AB is 5.5, and you have drawn AB smaller and AC greater. So it is not the proper way. You should draw as it is. In that term you have to draw only. This is the way to draw a triangle with the help of the pencil, scale and compass. This is when you are going to use this method when the measurement of three sides has been given. That time you should use the method. Okay, hope you have understood this. Thank you. Next we'll be going to learn